This is the autoclave machine. The operation theatre instruments are sterile by this autoclave machine only. This autoclave machine needs a temperature of 121 degrees Celsius, that is 250 Fahrenheit, for 15 to 30 minutes, and the second temperature is 134 degrees Celsius, that is 273 Fahrenheit, for 3 minutes. This 134 degrees Celsius temperature for 3 minutes, this is the most higher temperature we are using for killing the pores, which are the blood stain articles, needs proper sterilization. That is the operation theatre articles needs this kind of temperature for the autoclave. What is the difference between autoclave and the sterilization? Autoclave is different thing and the sterilization is a different thing. Autoclave means killing the microorganism and the pores, that is the autoclave, and the sterilization only kills the bacteria. So autoclave and sterilization both are different. Sterilization can be done at a temporary level and autoclave is at a higher level. Pressure in the autoclave increases with the boiling water, allowing steam to reach higher temperature. Means autoclave makes the microorganism non-functional. Autoclave is same as that of the pressure cooker you are using at your home for cooking the dal chawal. But in the pressure cooker, only small articles can be sterile. But in the hospital, instruments are many in number. So autoclave machines are used for cleaning such thing in the hospital, because the sterile instrument, linen, bedsheet, cloth, they are the blood stained. Instruments are blood stained, but clothes are also blood stained, and the clothes should be sterile while going in the operation theatre, so that there should be no microorganism should be present on that. So that is why the autoclave is done for the instrument and autoclave is done of the clothes also. So they should be free from the infection. The infection should not get transmitted. That is why the autoclave process is done on the clothes plus the instrument. That is why this kind of big machines are done. And the pressure cooker can be used at a domestic use only. Autoclave is done which are coming in contact with the body fluid, that all the articles are sterile with the help of autoclave. If autoclave is not done, it will create an infection and it will get transmitted to one another.